Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download images from Pinterest. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in pinterest.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Pinterest website. Now if you haven't logged into your account already, click on the login button at the top right corner and then proceed with your credentials to log into your account. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, you will see various different pins or images based on your interests. Now, if you see an image that you like and you wish to download, then you can simply click on it and this will open up the image and you will be able to see the details. Within the detail page, click on the three dots at the top section which says More Options. Once you click on this, you will see the download image option. Just click on this button and now this will download the image on your device right away. You can do this with as many pins or images that you like within the Pinterest application, and you will find more images that you might like every time you refresh. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download your images on Pinterest. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.